In a quaint village nestled between towering mountains and dense woods, there lay a place known as the Whispering Forest. The villagers believed the forest was enchanted, for on moonlit nights, the trees seemed to whisper secrets to those who would listen. Among the villagers was a curious and brave young girl named Elara. She had grown up hearing tales of the forest from her grandmother, who claimed that the whispers were the voices of ancient spirits. Intrigued, Elara decided to uncover the truth. One evening, Elara ventured into the forest with a lantern and a few supplies. As she walked deeper into the woods, the usual sounds of wildlife faded, replaced by an eerie stillness. Eventually, she reached a clearing illuminated by moonlight, where an ancient oak tree stood, its leaves shimmering like silver. As she approached the tree, the whispers began. They told a story of Eldrin, a powerful druid, and Lyra, a beautiful maiden with an enchanting voice. Their love was forbidden by the druidic laws, but they continued to meet in secret under the ancient oak. When they were discovered, Lyra was banished, and Eldrin, in his despair, performed a ritual to bind their spirits to the forest so they could be together forever. Moved by their tale, Elara realized the whispers were a testament to their enduring love. She spent the night under the oak tree, feeling a deep connection to the spirits of Eldrin and Lyra. When she returned to the village, she shared their story, helping the villagers to see the forest not as a place of mystery and fear, but as a symbol of eternal love. Years later, an elderly druid named Arik arrived in the village. He spoke of a prophecy that foretold a guardian rising to protect the forest from a great darkness. He revealed that Elara was the chosen guardian and began to teach her the ancient ways of the druids. Under Arik's guidance, Elara learned to understand the forest and its whispers. She grew stronger and more attuned to its magic. One stormy night, she sensed a disturbance and knew the time had come to face the foretold darkness. Accompanied by Arik, Elara ventured into the heart of the forest. They reached the ancient oak tree, where a shadowy figure emerged, threatening to consume the forest's light. Drawing upon the love and strength of Eldrin and Lyra, Elara unleashed a brilliant light that banished the darkness. Exhausted but victorious, Elara realized her destiny as the guardian of the Whispering Forest. The villagers, now understanding the true nature of the forest, lived in harmony with it, embracing the whispers as a symbol of love and protection. Elara continued to protect the forest, her heart forever intertwined with the spirits of Eldrin and Lyra. The Whispering Forest remained a place of wonder, its whispers a timeless song of love that echoed through the ages.